I tried Loopring wallet app for 7 days. Here's the shocking truth. When I tried the Loopring wallet app, I expected a standard Ethereum wallet. But after 7 days, the shocking truth is that Loopring isn't just a wallet, it's a full-blown decentralized exchange in your pocket, powered by one of the fastest Layer 2 technologies on Ethereum. On day 1, I set up my wallet in minutes. Loopring runs on Scrollopsa technology that bundles thousands of transactions off-chain and settles them securely on Ethereum. That means blazing fast transactions at a fraction of the usual gas fees. By day 2, I began swapping tokens directly within the app. What blew me away was the speed trades executed in seconds and cost only a few cents compared to the often painful gas fees on Uniswap or MetaMask. Most people get this wrong. They think cheap transactions mean sacrificing security. But Scrollopsa maintain Ethereum-level security while scaling performance. Midweek, I tried liquidity pooling and staking. The interface made it easy to deposit tokens and start earning yield, and the live charts gave real-time insights on returns and pool performance. By day 6, I tested payments and NIFT transfers all running smoothly and nearly instant. The app even supports gas-free transfers when you use the built-in Layer 2 features. After 7 days, the shocking truth about Loopring Wallet was clear. It's not just a wallet. It's a self-custodial Layer 2 powerhouse. It gives you the freedom to trade, earn, and send crypto securely without Ethereum's usual delays and costs. If you've ever felt priced out or slowed down by Ethereum fees, Loopring Wallet is a game changer. It shows how blockchain can finally be fast, affordable, and decentralized all at once.